Alright, y'all boys. I told you I copped a bike. You feel me, my boy Jadiel? So shit, I copped the it's a 2018.
Yeah, 140.
140. It was a 125, but they swapped the 140 in it. This joint get up. I ain't even gonna lie. Hold that. I ain't even gonna lie. Shit, this shit can definitely get up. I'm trying learning clutch and shit. I low-key got the hang of that shit already for a day.
Yeah, nice for just getting on that shit.
Hell yeah. So shit. This bitch, I'm definitely gonna, you feel me, have this bitch looking.
You gotta get some unbreakable levers.
Mm-hmm.
So you get the plastics up, see how it goes.
That joint get up, I ain't gonna lie. When I hop on that joint, our drive was a little scared. That joint definitely was scared to hop on that bit. But I'm gonna learn that bit. I'm gonna hop on that bit right now.
It's definitely cool.
Bird.
I forgot you ain't got no back brake, bro. I was busting my eyes on you.
That's why I be turning. I was scared. I was scared to turn on that bit. You can record me.
You wanna go to over there on the concrete? Yeah. I'm telling you, it felt better in the concrete. Huh? Yeah. It's right around it. Nah, it's a neutral. Damn.
Still learning how to build it, motherfucker.
Put it in neutral, put it in neutral. Gone.
Hell yeah, that shit move. I think so, yeah.
Yeah, dude, you got a perfect starter bike for you, bro.
Mm-hmm.
Better than a little SSR like you were trying to get.
Right. I'm still gonna dinner get me an SSR
That's
just for the.
fun. It's a fun
Yeah,
project.
that's what I'm
Cars
saying.
Nights and shit, we both get one.
For sure. It's a nice starter bike. I ain't gonna lie. At first I'm like, is this too powerful? But I'm like, nah. What you said?
It's quick as a gear.
It is? Do you think it'd be slipping or something?
probably over pressing it. When you press it, you would hear it. Like I hear it every time. Like,
So I gotta be lightly. I'm probably
clicks,
clicking
so
that
you gotta
shit
be
too
soft.
hard.
Like, but you pressing this, right? You're going like that.
Right.
And every time you're doing it, yeah. What else? I was about to say something. Here, try it again.
Cause wait. Okay. And it's like this to go up and that's to go down. Obviously, right?
Yeah,
Okay.
One down, 4 up. And then you gotta go shit down every time, you know what I mean? And when you turn in, bruh, most times you turn like if you about to turn right here, you're gonna go down to second. Don't even put it in first, go to second.
So
alright,
you
feel me, and turn that bitch.
So every time I'm riding, especially if I'm riding like from far, always try to go in the fourth, and then
you gonna hear it. Like once your motor, like you can hear me shifting. Like watch, listen to me shift. Like listen for the shift. I'm gonna be in fourth probably by the time I'm right here.
Okay, bet.
Neutral. You getting that? You got through all 4? Yeah. You did.
Hell yeah, that shit was tough.
Yeah, I fuck with this joint. It's definitely gonna be good,
I
but
ain't in no chill. What was I in then?
it's probably in first.
I was. You
Yeah.
think?
Right now?
So I went past neutral?
Right now?
Yeah.
That's how it be usually. Usually when you...
Oh, it's already in first?
This is how I get my shit into neutral. If I can't find it, you go all the way down to first and you just go up a little. You know what I mean?
Okay.
Like right now, I would hold the clutch, press it down all the way, keep pressing it, like until you can't. Press it again. All right, now click up a little as a bit. Right there. Now you should be in neutral. Nah.
Hold on. There we go.
Yeah. Cause it's a little clicker. If not, that shit gonna go right in a second.
This should be wanting to get up, bruh.
Yeah, if you had back brakes, it would be valid. I wouldn't even try it.
Shit, we could down there try to order some shit.
He said it's a drum or some shit.
I should get a different exhaust. Nah, this shit already
You
done.
could get like a little FMF exhaust or something. I told you I got that one, but it's for a 450, so I don't know if it's not gonna fit here. We have to cut it and weld it just the tip, like just this part.
We don't even gotta do all that. I didn't there could buy me one.
Well, I got one. I got that blue one.
Oh yeah, on the
That's just sitting there.
Shit.
But it's a 2-stroke joint. I don't know if that'll work, but I'll ask my pops.
That shit.
If that shit work. Starting a 4-2. Fucking rain gonna take. flag. Trying to get my boy right so he can be with the pack. Huh?
I said that first gear jumpy.
Well, cause you ain't really it's rather high. This rain gonna piss me. You try getting the hang of it though, bruh. It's the first day ever trying this shit. Press it, go all the way down. No, not hold the clutch. Alright, go up.
So I don't go neutral when it's like
On? You
yeah.
could, yeah. But you just gotta be nice to find it. You feel me? It
Alright.
take a little bit. Once you start learning the clutch and your bike, you gonna be able to find neutral easy. You know what I mean?
And this bitch, it ain't even really heavy. Like,
Nah, you could jump off that fucker if you needed to.
That's what I'm saying.
Damn, bro, it's about to start pouring.
Then there, hit that.
Try it.
Hell nah.
All you gotta do is pop that clutch and it's gonna go up.
That shit, that first time we was out here last
I'm
night,
ready, no.
that shit got up off the ground a little bit. Right?
So once you give it gas a little bit of gas and let go. So once you ready to, bro, you're gonna be able to learn on this too, to pick it up.
For sure.
It's gonna be scary in the trails with this shit though, bro. In the mud, so that's just the worst.
Slip and shit.
Yeah, but a little bike is way more easier to control than like a fucking big ass full size bike. That shit, I busted my ass like 3 times last time I went. It was pouring before.
Like a
Slippery as hell.
Damn, 450 there, way faster than this bitch. What about them? Ain't it like something over that 450?
Well, they do. They got.
They got 650s.
Yeah, they got the like
But
mash.
them is like the
yeah, but they're heavy as shit. Like bro out west, he got that Honda. It's a 625. You know that red one? That's street legal.
Yeah.
That joint. That's just a 625. It's just heavy as shit.
Damn.
We out.
Hell yeah.
Right into the crib here. Fucking pour. Oh, Motherfucker's gonna be soaked.
Alright, YouTube, this is the end of the video. I just wanted to add a couple clips in of me getting comfortable with the bike. This was like probably like a couple of days after getting the bike. I was hitting a couple wheelies and stuff. Just wanted to add this in there because I'm like, shit, why not? And shit, yeah, once I get some back brakes, I could start holding my wheelies and stuff like that. But I appreciate y'all for watching, for sure.